Here's the new red New Zealand broken I just got. This here's an old fat chunky boy. Only a month and a half. But like I said, until he's ready to mate, he'll still be giving me a wrap renewal to put in the garden. And it's another one added to the flock. I'm probably going to be looking at getting one more female. What I'm going to be doing, I'm probably going to purchase the same female from the person who I just bought this broken buck from. She said she has 2 broken females that are pregnant now, and they should be giving birth in about a couple of days now. So in about 8 weeks or so, I'll be purchasing a broken female from her. Like I said, to liven up the amount of colors I can get to be able to have different colors of fur and stuff. But regardless, like I said, guys, keep preparing, keep stocking, and everybody stay safe. Stay blessed. See you in the next one.